what you get from the story.
Okay. You must keep full sentence form, so be careful to make sure that the passage reads fluently. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to cross out sentences that you don't think are necessary to do a summary. And then when you have everything crossed out that you don't think you need, there's your summary. Okay? Does that make sense to you? I'm going to let you try it, and then we're going to do it as a class. I'm going to give you I'll give you another 3 minutes to do it. Okay? I'll give you about 1.5 minutes on your own, and then 1.5 minutes with your group. And we'll see how this works, okay? Anybody have any questions on what I want you to do? Remember, you're looking for, unnecessary sentences. Caitlin, sit up. It says in these directions, what they want you to try to do are keep full sentences intact, so that we can form our summary from that. And it has to read fluently. Yeah. Huh? Well, but if you go ahead and read it, it says you must keep full sentence form. So if you want to cross out a word or two, I guess you could try. Try it either way. Okay? Go ahead and start. You have 1.5 minutes to work on your own, and then you can work with people in your at your tables. Does this make sense? You guys are going to be fed up with love as soon as this lesson's over. Why is love important? Ashley, we will discuss that at a later date. We'll get back to that. Do you love pizza? Yeah. There you go. Okay, now you may talk to the people at your table and see what they have crossed out, and you can kind of see or they can see what you have crossed out, and you guys can kind of collaborate for just a second. And then we'll do it together on the board. Well, you have to, because it's a summary. So look at what they did. No, you have to be a little bit more aggressive than that. Like Miley crossed out a lot.
The first sentence, the little last part.
Yeah, that would be nice.
We're hitting 19 minutes.
You have about 30 seconds. Now, can you guys see how this is like an effective way to summarize? Because you're kind of literally crossing out stuff that you don't think that you need. And it is still pretty subjective, too. I mean, your opinion might be a little bit different from somebody else's. Okay, stop where you're at. And let's take a look at this on the smartboard and see how you guys did, or what we as a group decided were the things that we needed to cross out. Okay? So let's take a look. Somebody want to read it to me? Read me the whole thing, Olivia?
Sooner or later, we begin to understand that love is more than verses on Valentine's and romance in the movies. We begin to know that love is here and now, real and true, the most important thing in our lives. For love is the creator of our favorite memories, and is the foundation of our fondest dreams. Love is a promise that is always kept, a fortune that can never be spent, a seed that can flourish in even the most unlikely of places. And this radiance that never fades, this mysterious and magical joy is the greatest treasure of all, one known only by those who love.
Okay, so what's the first thing we're going to cross out? What do we want to get rid of? Elizabeth.
Real and true.
So you're just going to cross out real and true?
Yeah.
Okay.
It just seems redundant to add.
Okay. All right, what else? Miley?
I crossed out the whole first sentence.
The whole first sentence? Okay. Okay, what else? Ashley?
I crossed out for love is the creator of our favorite memories and the foundation of our fondest dreams.
Okay. Okay. What else? Lydia?
Here and now.
Where is here? Okay. All right. What else? Erin?
A seed that can flourish even in the most unlikely places.
Okay. Anything else? Olivia?
One known by only those who love. Wait, no, keep that.
Okay.
It makes sense. Okay, never mind.
Okay.
Sorry.
Elizabeth?
I crossed out always kept, or that is always kept.
She's my cynic.
What's that?
You're cynical about love.
Yeah, true.
Olivia?
I think you should just take out
Josh, you can cut it now.
the little high